Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group 5 F1G1. Today we are going to present our mini project which is the Campus Health Clinic Appointment System. Our group consists of 4 members. I am Nurul Ali Shafika and I am the team leader for this project. Together with me are Muhammad Irfan, Nick Nur Awatif and Nur Bashira. So what is this the system all about? The Campus Health Clinic Appointment System is a web-based platform designed to replace the current manual, paper-based appointment process at the University Health Clinic. Currently, students have to walk in, fill in paper forms and wait for their turns. This often leads to long queues, misplaced records and poor communication between student, doctors and the pharmacists. Our proposed system aims to solve these problems. Students can book, reschedule or cancel appointments online. The system automatically checks doctor availability to prevent double bookings. Students also receive SMS reminder 24 hours before their appointment. For doctors, they can securely view student medical histories, record diagnosis, and prescribe medication electronically. Prescriptions are automatically sent to the campus pharmacy so that medication can be prepared in advance. Now, let me pass the time to my teammate Irfan, who will explain the diagrams we have created for this system.
Thank you, Ellie. Good day, everyone. I am Muhammad Irfan, and I will be explaining the diagram we have developed for the system. First, we have the context diagram. This diagram shows the system as a single process in the center, surrounded by the three external entities, the student, the doctor, and the pharmacist. The student submits a booking request and receives a booking confirmation. The doctor checks and updates their schedule and also updates student diagnosis records. The pharmacist receives digital prescription from the system. Next, we have the data flow diagrams. The level 0 DFD breaks the system into three main processes: manage appointment, manage reminders, and manage medical consultation. We also create level 1 DFDs for each of these processes to show more detail. For example, the manage appointment process includes sub-processes like receiving the appointment request, verifying slot, availability, update the schedule database, and generating a booking for confirmation. We also create a class diagram which shows the static structure of the system. It includes boundary classes for each user role, control classes for business logic, and entity class for data storage. This diagram ensures that each user has appropriate access right and that the system is well organized. Finally, we have three sequence diagrams that show the interaction between objects for the three main processes. This diagram helps to visualize how users interact with the system step by step. Now, I will pass the presentation to Awatif, who will explain the use case diagram, activity diagram, and the requirement.
Thank you, Irfan. Hello everyone, I am Nick Nur Awatif. I will now explain the use case diagram, activity diagram, and the system requirement. The use case diagram show how the three main users interact with the system. Students can log in, book, reschedule, and cancel appointment. Also, they will receive the SMS reminder. The doctor can log in, view their daily appointment list, access student medical history, record diagnosis, and issues prescription, while pharmacists can log in, view pending prescription, and dispense medication to students. The diagram also shows two important system tasks, which is verifying slot availability and sending booking confirmation, which are included in the booking and rescheduling processes. Next, we have three activity diagrams for one each main process. The first diagram shows the appointment booking process from fill in the form to receiving the booking confirmation. The second diagram shows the SMS reminder process where the system schedule a timer and send an SMS to the student. The third diagram shows the medical consultation process from doctor login to prescription routing to the pharmacist. For the requirements, we have documented both functional and non-functional requirements in our SRS. The functional requirement cover appointment booking, reminder, consultation, and prescription. The non-functional requirement cover performance, security, safety, reliability, and business rule.
Thank you, Awatif. Good day, everyone. I am Nur Bashira. I will now explain the project planning, testing, and cost estimation for our system. For project planning, we create a work breakdown structure, a Gantt chart, and an activity network diagram. The activity network diagram shows the sequence and dependency of all tasks. We identify the critical path, which is the longest sequence of tasks that determines the project duration. The critical path is T2 to T4 to T5 to T8 to T9 to T10 to T11 to T12 with a total duration of 195 days or approximately 10 to 11 months. For testing, we use 3 testing techniques. Black box testing was used for the appointment booking module. Integration testing was used for the reminder and notification module. System testing was used for the medical consultation and prescription module. These techniques ensure that the system works correctly and meets all user expectations. For cost estimation, we use the basic COCOMO 1 model. The project size is estimated at 14 KLOC and the project is classified as semi-detached. Using the COCOMO formula, the estimate effort is 58.47% months and the development time is 10.35 months. The total estimate cost is approximately 351,524 ringgit, which includes development, infrastructure, testing and emergency costs. Now, I will pass the presentation back to Elif for the conclusion.
Thank you, Bashira. In conclusion, the campus health clinic appointment system is a comprehensive solution that will digitalize and improve healthcare services at the university clinic. It will benefit students, doctors and pharmacists by making appointment easier, reducing paperwork and improving communication. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this presentation informative. Assalamualaikum.